Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to keep your Likee videos safe and positive by managing comments and setting up comment filters. In order to manage comments and filters on Likee videos, first of all, go ahead and open up the Likee application and make sure that you're logged into your account. From the home page, click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're inside the profile page, click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. In the pop-up at the bottom, click on Settings. Once you open the Settings menu, click on Privacy. Inside Privacy, go to Comment on my post, and then you can select if you'd like to turn on comment or if you want to turn it off so that others can't comment on your post. Pick the setting that is right for you. If you want to turn off comments on your post, make sure to toggle off this button and click on Got It. If you ever want to turn it on, you can toggle on this button whenever needed. Now click on Comment Filter. You can then filter specific keywords or phrases from selected scenarios. You can toggle on the button right next to options provided on the screen. Simply turn both of these options on, and in the Add Keywords option, go ahead and add any keywords or phrases that you'd like to filter. After you do that, click on Add, and the selected phrase or keywords will be filtered from your comments section, whether it is from live or your content. If you ever want to turn on your comment, you can go ahead and tap on Comment on my post and toggle on the switch, and that's how you can easily manage comments and filters on Likee. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.